Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to place an order on CMC Markets. Just follow these steps so you can quickly execute your trades on the platform. First, open your browser and go to the official CMC Markets website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on the plus icon, then select Products and choose Crypto. Wait a moment for the list to load, then choose any product you want to trade and click on it. Once selected, its price chart will appear on the right side of your screen. Now you have two ways to open the order window. Option 1, click the Buy or Sell button at the top of the screen. This will instantly open the order ticket. Option 2, right-click on the product you selected, then click on Order Ticket. This will also bring up the same buy and sell window. From here, simply enter the number of units you want to trade. If you're buying, click Place by Market Order. If you're selling, switch to the Sell tab and click Place Sell Market Order. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to place orders on CMC Markets anytime.